QNET is an e-commerce powered direct selling company which offering a range of physical and virtual products in more than 100 countries around the world.
Cybercrime are attracted to e-commerce like bears are to honey because it's easy to exploit. The attacks have actually become more sophisticated, more planned, and more intentional. That's the challenge.
QNET digital transformation began back in 2019. At that time, we were very limited by our legacy, application, infrastructure, and security ability. I always use the phrase, back then security is something called out of sight, out of mind. That is a legacy thinking.
So Microsoft was providing tremendous cybersecurity services on the Azure platform. Microsoft Sentinel was easily integratable into the different sort of services and systems that we were adopting as a company.
When we are using the traditional SOC services for an external party, we are only monitoring a fraction of our infrastructure and provide information in very reactive manners. But after launching with Microsoft Security Suite, informations become real-time. I can monitor the whole infrastructure in a fraction of the original cost.
Before we knew it, we were able to collect logs, and I remember seeing the dashboard lighting up and all the incidents and all the different types of alerts that were coming in. When we adopted the E5 suite of products, one specific product that really helped us was Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. I specifically remember in July of 2020, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint catching a web shell attack on one of our critical web servers. The product caught the timeline from the time the execution of the web shell started to the lateral movement. What Microsoft Defender really brings to the table is the behavioral aspect of the systems. It knows what sort of a behavior is wrong as opposed to what is right. And that is valuable when it comes to cybersecurity and defense. I'd say without these products, we would never know where we are or where we're going to.
By adoption to Microsoft Cloud, our ability to react to the market needs is way faster and continue to drive a better customer experience. Now I have information that I can bring back to the board and also the risk and compliance department. I think the move to become transparent is a key to success in this digital world.